everyone, it's Nicole. I'm the owner here at darngoodyarn.com, and I want to talk to you in this video about yarn bowls. And we have so many different kinds of yarn bowls. I kind of went a little bit crazy ordering, but most of you know that we have our basic wooden yarn bowl. It's beautiful, it's nice and heavy, it's made from shisham wood. And sometimes if you're not familiar with yarn bowls, we get a question on how to actually use it, like what's the purpose. And you know, if you're like me and you don't get to knit or crochet all that often and enjoy your fiber arts, like it's sometimes just nice to have your yarn out in like view, like, okay, I still see you over there, yarn, like I'm gonna get to you one of these days when I'm not chasing a toddler around, like in my case. So you keep your yarn out. It's a really nice way to display it, and when you're using it, you just simply take your yarn and you wrap it through this little swirl here, and then you can stick it on a floor or on a table, and then you just work your project. Some little tips and tricks that I like is if you're putting it on a floor and it's also wood as well, just make sure you put like an anti-slip mat between that, and it keeps it from just running all over the house. But this is a really great way to preserve any like special twists, especially for handmade and handcrafted yarns. It keeps the twist from getting really unwieldy versus just like letting it roll around on the floor and collecting dust bunnies, which in my case, they're everywhere, and then this becomes a Swiffer instead of a ball of yarn. It happens. Hey, I'm just being real. In some of our other yarn bowls, you'll notice that there's a little hole on the side of the bowl, and what that's for is kind of nice. Is, you know, here's your yarn bowl, and then when you're not working on your project, you can stick the project in the bowl itself, and then you can stick the needles through the hole, going from either this way, like that, and rest them, which is nice because then everything stays together. You can do it the other way as well, but since I have a project on here, it's going to stick out and be really awkward and not give the look that I'm going for. So with our ceramic yarn bowls too, the nice thing, you tend to be a little bit larger in most cases, so you can get a larger ball of yarn in there, usually like 250, 300 grams. And then this is also, I'm in love with these. These are a limited edition painted yarn bowls, and these are, you can see the size difference. They're substantially larger. They're like double the size of our standard wooden yarn bowl, and they're just beautiful. So I hope that answers any of your questions, and you can sort of see the size of what this all looks like and introduce you a little bit more to our world of darn good yarn bowls. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to us at info@darngoodyarn.com or reach us on social media using the hashtag darngoodyarn. I will talk to you all later. Bye.